Hey everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and today I'm sharing how the amazing Cricut Maker can cut fabric. I am going to be making a little globe ball for my son and showing you the entire process from start to finish. For this project, I'm going to start with my Cricut Maker, a washable fabric marker, a 12 by 24 inch fabric mat, and some designer fabrics. There are links to all of the products I'm using in the description below. Cutting fabric on the Cricut Maker requires us to use their new rotary blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert that rotary blade into my Cricut Maker machine and put away my other blade. I'm also going to put in one of the Cricut washable fabric pens because this is going to draw the seam allowance I need right onto my fabric. To make this globe, go to the Cricut design space. When you're there, click Ready to Make Projects. It will give you a huge page of projects that are ready to go. Search globe and you should find the stuffed globe project that I'll be making today. When you click on it, you'll see a list of materials needed to make this project, as well as all of the directions. When you're ready, click Make It and it will open your Cricut design mats for you. When you open it, you'll see that you need the large 12 by 24 inch sewing mats to cut these large panels for your ball. You'll also see that each mat has a draw icon and a cut icon, as it will be drawing the seam lines first and then cutting out the design. Connect your Cricut machine and then choose cotton fabric as your fabric of choice for this project. Now you're ready to load your Cricut Maker. Cricut already has a ton of beautiful designer fabrics that are available on their site and cut down to 24 by 12 inch pieces for you. Place your fabric onto your mat with the good side of the design down and get ready to draw your seam allowance and cut out your design. Now repeat this 5 more times for the other panels in your stuffed globe. The next step is to cut out all of your iron-on designs. Make sure that you've turned on the mirror image for all of these cuts on the left-hand side panel before you connect your machine. Choose iron-on vinyl as your material and get ready to cut it out with the Cricut Maker. First, you'll have to remove the rotary blade and replace it with the fine point blade. Load a 12 by 24 inch piece of vinyl onto your 12 by 24 inch standard grip mat, always with the shiny side down for iron-on vinyl. Let the Cricut do its magic cutting out your design, and do this for all 5 panels for your globe. I didn't have quite enough 12 by 24 inch panels, so for one of my panels I did 2 12 by 12 pages, and that worked perfectly too. When all of your panels are cut out, you can use a Cricut weeding tool to get rid of all of the parts of your design that you don't need. So do this for all 5 of your panels and get ready to iron them onto your fabric pieces. I use the Cricut Easy Press and the Easy Press mat to iron my design on. If you don't have an Easy Press, you can also use an iron to iron the designs on, but if you're going to be doing a lot of iron on, the Easy Press is definitely a good investment. It's so easy to use. I use the recommended settings for the Easy Press, which I will link to below, to iron onto my fabric. The iron-on designs should each fit perfectly onto one of your cut fabric panels. You'll notice that one of your iron-on designs is too big for one panel. When you cut that one in half, you'll notice it will fit perfectly on two separate panels. When you're done, line up the entire globe so that you know which order to sew your pieces together in. Pin your panels together with the good sides together and sew along the seam lines the Cricut drew for you. Now just keep sewing panels until all 6 are sewn together and leave a small opening on the last panel so that you can stuff your globe. Once your globe is stuffed, the last step is to hand sew that opening shut, and then you're done! I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope that showed how easy it is to cut fabric on the Cricut Maker. My little guy is already loving his new globe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. As always, for more great DIYs and tutorials, visit lovecreatecelebrate.com.